Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell about how to enable Bluetooth on your Hisense Fire TV. Some new Hisense TVs are also equipped with Fire TV. They also usually have Bluetooth. To activate and connect Bluetooth device to your Hisense Fire TV, you need to the following these steps. I'll explain the step-by-step process. Please keep watch on this video. For the first step is using your remote, go to your TV's home screen. Here select settings. After that, go to the controllers and Bluetooth device session. Scroll down to the bottom and select other Bluetooth devices. Here select the add Bluetooth device button. Set your device to pairing mode. The screen will display the Bluetooth device that are within the range of your TV. Choose and desired device from the list and follow the prompts on the screen. Please note that usually Fire TV remotes are connected to the TV using the Bluetooth. So most likely your Hisense Fire TV should definitely have Bluetooth. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this video is helpful. It's really helpful. Please share this video, like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.